Hey there everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to submit work for payment for a fixed price contract. At first click on delivery work menu to active contract. Then we found our all active contract list. From here we just need to click on the job whose task we already completed. So this is the contract. Just click on submit work for payment option. Then we find out a menu like this. Here it says release payment option, status active, project milestone name. So here I write a message and attach my work file here, and this is the message for my client. Please check the attach fine. I attach AI and PNG image for you. Able to scale your design as much as you want. It's vector format, so now you're able to scale your design as much as you want. Okay, need okay, I just type some text for my client. Now I just need to attach the work file here. Okay, so I now just attached the file. I click on attach file option and attach the zip file here. Then I just need to click on submit option. That's it. Now I see that the payment project price payment is $20, in escrow $20, and when the client check the file and approve, I see that total earnings $20 here. Thank you.